Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to VoyageView, where we bring you the latest and greatest travel tips. Navigating through airport security can be stressful, but today we're going to change that. We're revealing 10 critical airport security tips to know before you fly to help you breeze through those lines. And don't miss our bonus tip on avoiding common mistakes that could slow you down. Ready to streamline your next airport experience? Let's take off into these essential tips. 1. Double-check prohibited items. Before you even think about packing, visit the TSA's official website or use their mobile app to check the list of prohibited items. Many travelers get held up at security because they accidentally pack items that are flagged during the screening process, such as full-size lotions, sharp objects like scissors, or even certain types of electronic devices that are not allowed in carry-ons. 2. Master the 3-1-1 liquids rule. This rule seems straightforward, but catching the details can save you time. Each passenger is allowed to bring a quart-sized bag of liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes. These are limited to travel-sized containers that are 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per item. Pre-packing these in an easily accessible part of your carry-on will make it simpler to pull out and place in the screening bin. 3. Choose your footwear wisely. Footwear can cause delays. Shoes with metal parts or accessories can set off metal detectors, leading to additional screening. Slip-on shoes are not only comfortable and easy to remove, but they also speed up your process at the security checkpoint. 4. Organize your carry-on bag. Before you arrive at the airport, organize your carry-on bag in a way that makes it easy to remove electronics and other large items. Laptops, tablets, and e-readers should be placed in an easily accessible part of your bag so you can quickly slide them out for screening. 5. Keep your identification handy. Fumbling for your passport or ID can hold up the line. Wear a travel jacket with a dedicated pocket for your boarding pass and ID, or keep them in an easily accessible pocket of your carry-on. As you approach the TSA agent, have these documents ready to present. Finding these tips helpful? Why not give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share this video with your friends? It helps our community grow and keeps you updated with all the latest travel hacks. Now let's keep those security tips coming. 6. Simplify your outfit. Avoid wearing belts with large metal buckles, jewelry, or clothes with excessive metal details, as these can trigger alarms. Wear simple, comfortable clothing to ensure a smoother passage through metal detectors and body scanners. 7. Know your electronics rules. Understand the electronics rules for your specific airport and follow them to the letter. Generally, laptops need to be placed in a separate bin, while smaller gadgets can stay in your bag. Always listen to the instructions from TSA agents, as these can vary slightly depending on the airport. 8. Consider TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. If you travel frequently, consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. These programs allow you to go through security faster without needing to remove shoes, laptops, belts, or light jackets. It's a small investment that can save a lot of time and hassle. 9. Remain polite and cooperative. Always approach security with a polite and cooperative attitude. If selected for additional screening, remember that TSA agents are just doing their job. Keeping a calm and friendly demeanor can ensure the process goes smoothly and quickly. 10. Pack your patience and stay alert. Finally, patience is your best friend at the airport. Stay alert, follow the officer's instructions, and watch your belongings as they go through the conveyor belt. This helps you move through the process faster and keeps your items secure. And there you have it, 10 critical airport security tips to make your next trip through TSA a breeze. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a quick and stress-free start to your journey. Thanks for watching. If you've got more airport hacks or stories, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help your fellow travelers. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks from VoyageView.